Hi, it's me, Stormy, and I'll now make some Minecraft videos every month, every Saturday, Friday, or Sunday. So, if you guys want to watch my YouTube content, please support my YouTube content. And thank you for all that subscribes and like for my video. I am very thankful of your things that you gave to me. So thank you. And I am also from Philippines. And this is my sister Freezy. We have brand names because we have a group in Messenger. You can join in Facebook, and also you can also join. I will make you allowed, and also in other mentions that thank you for supporting. And like wait, can I say this to some Filipino subscribers? Salamat sa mga binigay niyo sa amin sa pagsusuporta at mga iba pa po. Salamat sa mga kayo pong bata o mga iba pa pong malalaki o matandang tao na nagbibigay po sa akin ng pagsusuporta sa aking YouTube content. Ito lang po ang sasabihin ko po sa inyo. Salamat po.
Salamat po din.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Make sure to watch our YouTube content. Bye.